Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Zach Desjardins. I'm an owner and operator of an HVAC company based out of Nashville, Tennessee. Now I like to make videos on service, maintenance, installs, basically anything that has to do with heating and air conditioning. So if that's something you're into, consider subscribing. Now in this video, I'm going to be continuing this project where I'm installing a 18K Mitsubishi ductless system. Now I've got all the equipment installed, I've got the refrigerant lines ran. All I have left is pulling a vacuum on the system and running the power from the main panel there and getting it started up. Let's do some work. Okay, so I've got everything installed and I just realized I don't have a surge protector with me. Now, on any of these ductless systems, any inverter-based equipment, you always want to put a surge protector on there, and I forgot about it. So I'm gonna have to come back at a later day to install that, but it's okay for today. Now I'm ready to go ahead and start this thing up. I'm gonna go ahead, go inside, get the remote, put the batteries in it, fire this thing up. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps up this video. Other than not having that surge protector, this job is good to go. I really love how this job turned out. I think it looks really nice and it's performing beautifully. So I'm gonna go ahead and get cleaned up and head on down the road. Hit that thumbs up if you guys like what I'm doing. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Till next time, see you guys later. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Zach Desjardins and I'm an owner and operator of an HVAC company based out of Nashville, Tennessee. This dog won't stop whining. You know I'm trying to film here, right? Jeez. I'm an owner and operator of a small HVAC. I'm returning on a job where I started to install a ductless mini split.